Hello, amazing learners, and welcome back to our channel Grammar Treehouse. Today we're diving into a super special type of verb that does not show action, but connects ideas like a super strong bridge. They're called linking verbs. Sounds like a mystery, right? Well, get your detective hats on, because we're about to crack the case together. So, what exactly is a linking verb? Imagine you have two puzzle pieces. One piece is the subject of your sentence, who or what the sentence is about. The other piece is a word that describes the subject or tells us what it is. A linking verb is the magic connector that fits perfectly between them, linking them together to create a complete picture. It doesn't show someone running, jumping, or singing. Instead, it says, hey, this thing is this other thing, or this person seems this way. The most famous, most common superstar linking verb of all time is the verb to be. I bet you use it all the time without even realizing it. The verb to be has many different forms, like am, is, are, was, and were. Let's look at some examples. If I say, I am happy, the word am links I to the feeling happy. It tells you my state of being. It's not an action, right? I'm not happying. Am is the bridge connecting I and happy. Let's try another one. The kittens are fluffy. What's the subject? The kittens. What word describes them? Fluffy. And what's the magic word connecting them? Are. You got it? Are is our linking verb. It links kittens to the description fluffy. See how that works? It's like building a sentence sandwich. The subject is one slice of bread, the description is the other, and the linking verb is the yummy filling holding it all together. Now, let's play a quick game I call Link It or Leave It. I'll give you a sentence, and you shout link it if it has a linking verb, and leave it if it has an action verb. Ready? First sentence, the dog barks loudly. Is barks an action or a link? It's something the dog does, so that's an action verb. Leave it. Okay, next one. The dog is sleepy. What about is? Is the dog ising something? No. Is connects dog with the feeling sleepy. So, link it. Great job. One more. She was a doctor. Does was show an action? Nope. It links she to her profession. Doctor. Link it. You guys are becoming linking verb experts. While is, am, are, was, and were are the main players, there are other sneaky linking verbs out there. These often relate to our five senses: seem, look, feel, sound, and taste. For example, you look amazing. The verb look here isn't about using your eyes to see something. It's linking you with the description amazing. It works just like is. You are amazing. See? Same meaning. Let's try one with another sense. The music sounds beautiful. Here, sounds links the music to the word beautiful. It's describing the state of the music. Or how about this? I feel tired after the long day. The verb feel connects I with the state of being tired. It's not an action like, I feel the soft blanket. That's a different use of the word feel. The trick is to see if you can replace the verb with a form of to be, like is or am. If the sentence still makes sense, you've probably found a linking verb. For example, the music is beautiful. That works. I am tired. That works too. Let's put this new knowledge to the test with a fun activity. I call it sentence chains. I'll start a sentence with a subject and a linking verb, and you finish it. Think of a word that describes or renames the subject. Ready? My first chain is, the flowers are... What could you say? The flowers are colorful. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are in the garden. All great answers, but which ones use a descriptive word? Colorful and beautiful, those complete the link perfectly. Let's try another one. He seems... What could he seem? He seems happy. He seems confused. He seems like a nice person. Happy and confused are great descriptions. We're building strong sentence chains. Okay, your turn to start one. Think of a subject and a linking verb. Maybe, the cake was, or they are. Pause the video and create your own sentence chain. Now that you're getting the hang of it, let's play a drawing game. Grab a piece of paper and something to draw with. I'm going to give you 3 sentences with linking verbs. Your job is to draw what the sentence describes. This will show you how linking verbs help paint a picture in our minds. First sentence. The monster is purple with 3 eyes. Go ahead and draw that. The linking verb is connects the monster to its description, purple with 3 eyes. It helps you know exactly what to draw. Ready for the next one? The caterpillar became a beautiful butterfly. Here, the linking verb is became. It shows a change of state. The caterpillar is now a butterfly. So you could draw a caterpillar on one side and an arrow pointing to a beautiful butterfly on the other. Became links the 2 states of being. Last one. The soup tasted spicy. What are you drawing? Maybe a bowl of soup with steam coming off it, and a person with a funny face fanning their mouth? The linking verb tasted connects the soup to the quality of being spicy. See? Linking verbs are essential for giving us details and creating vivid images. Let's do a quick review of all the amazing things we've learned. Linking verbs don't show action. Instead, they connect the subject of a sentence to a word that describes it or renames it. The most common linking verbs are the forms of to be, am, is, are, was, and were. But we also have other cool linking verbs like seem, become, feel, look, and taste. A great trick is to try swapping the verb with is or are to see if the sentence still makes sense. To finish off, let's do a final Mad Libs style challenge. I'll give you a short story with blanks where the linking verbs and describing words should be. Let's fill them in together. Once upon a time, there was a little frog. His name, Dawi or Sam. Sam, Dawi, always happy. His skin, Dawi, green and bumpy. One day, he met a turtle. The turtle, very old and wise. "Hello," said the turtle. "You, a very cheerful frog." Sam smiled. "This day, wonderful," he said. Let's fill in the blanks. His name was Sam. Sam was always happy. His skin was green and bumpy. One day he met a turtle. The turtle seemed very old and wise. "Hello," said the turtle. "You are a very cheerful frog." Sam smiled. "This day is wonderful," he said. Look at that. We used was, seemed, are, and is to link all the parts of our story together and make it complete. You all did an absolutely fantastic job today, exploring the world of linking verbs. They might not be as flashy as action verbs, but they are the glue that holds our sentences together, adding color, detail, and meaning. Keep an eye out for them when you're reading, and try using them in your own writing to make your descriptions pop. Thank you so much for joining me on this grammar adventure. I had so much fun learning with you. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more fun topics, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next lesson. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.